Hi guys, so are you struggling with views on your channel? Do you feel like YouTube does not recommend your video? Only one setting that you have touched mistakenly or you never even knew about this setting. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn this setting on, how this setting is going to help your videos to be recommended, and not just one video, help all your videos to be out there. You can get to the person that needs to watch that video. Without further ado, let's just dive right into the video. So guys, you have to go to the Chrome version of your YouTube studio and you type studio.youtube.com and it takes you to this page. And right now you guys can see it has taken me to my channel. The next thing you're going to click is customization, and this customization is just where the arrow is pointing. And immediately you click it, it's going to show you channel customization. Now if you want YouTube to recommend your video, you are going to go ahead and click on home tabs. Now this is where you should pay so much attention because I'll be explaining to you in details what this is all about. So if you see here, the first thing is said on home tab is show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. The first thing we're going to be doing is to put it on. We're going to be putting it on because this is what will help your audience to see your video. If you go to my page now, you see my videos up. This is what will help people to be able to see videos on your channel. Next thing we want to do is to customize the layout of the channel's homepage. So the first button is channel trailer. This one is for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. So what's the first video you want YouTube to put out to them? Now this is the video I want to put there. If you don't have any video there, please, I want you to click on your most viral video. Your most viral video must not have 1 million, 1,000 views. Just your video that has the most views. If it's 50, if it's 10, just put the video that has the most view. All right, so the next one is going to be the For You page. Here, YouTube recommend fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. That's why you need to post. So when you click on the settings, it said what to include in your For You section. So whether your videos, your shorts, or your live stream, make sure you turn it on. And when you toggle that on, you click on done. And for my screen, you can see the next categories are the shorts and videos and popular videos. These are the ones that YouTube will normally recommend to your audience. You can change these by order of priority, which I'm going to do in this video. So now you see the next thing I'm going to add now is from the category you see live, past live stream or upcoming live. So I'll add my past live stream. Note that if you don't go live, you will not have live stream to post. You should also bear in mind that whatever you do can be changed. If you want to adjust it, maybe you have a video that is doing better and you want to adjust it, you can do that. And this video, you will see where I'll adjust the video that I initially put. Just go to change video and your list of your videos will come out. Then you can be able to select which video you want to be up on your channel, to be the first thing that your viewer sees. The next thing I'm going to do is to rearrange my home page. You just have to click on what you don't want, you remove it, then it's the what you want will go ahead. So I want to arrange my home page in a way that suits me, and I'm just going to remove what I don't want that is coming before another and arrange it in a way that I want my channel to look, which is very simple. So we have other options. We have live, upcoming stream, single playlist, multiple playlist, subscription, future channel, and community and top community clip. So if you have upcoming live stream, you can just click on it and it will come out on your home page. If you have live stream, just whatever works for your channel, you can just click on it and this will reflect on your home page. If I knew all these things before, I think I would have gone far. My channel would have gone far, because all of these things I just knew them recently, and you guys can see the difference. You can see the breakthrough on my channel just by doing these things. So please check, make sure everything is turned on in your For You videos, your shorts, your live. When you're done arranging, make sure you click on publish. If you do all these and you don't publish it, you are just wasting your time. Make sure you click on publish. You publish that, you are good to go. Then you click on view channel and it takes you straight to your channel. So now we're on the channel. You can see that's the first video, and the For You, you can see all the video that YouTube have put up for you. Then the videos, popular videos, short, just the way I arranged it, and past live stream, just the way I arranged it from the studio. That's exactly how it is on the channel. I hope you liked this video. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have turned this setting on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.